Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find on the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Using a socket wrench and a 7mm socket, unscrew the 4 holding screws on the airbox flange. Then pull out the flange. Take out the air filter. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Put the new filter in. Pay careful attention to properly put the spur on the filter fully into the notch on the flange. Rescrew the 4 holding screws. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.